Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dragon Adventure. To begin your exciting journey, you will first hatch your very own dragon egg. Follow the initial tutorial quests to quickly grasp the basic movement and interaction controls. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, which provides essential information about your dragons, inventory, and current missions. This foundation will prepare you for the adventures ahead. A core part of Dragon Adventure is acquiring and nurturing your dragons. You can find dragon eggs scattered across different worlds. Simply click to collect them. Once you have an egg, place it in an incubator at your base. Hatching times can range from 1 minute for common eggs to 35 minutes for rarer ones. After hatching, remember to feed your baby dragon and equip it to ensure it grows from a hatchling to a powerful adult. As you progress, exploring the vast world and engaging in combat will be key. Use the WASD keys to move your dragon and press the spacebar once to jump or twice to fly. In battles, left-click for a light attack and right-click for your dragon's signature move. Each world you unlock, like Grassland or Tundra, presents new environments, unique dragon species to discover, and different enemies to overcome. To truly master Dragon Adventure, focus on advanced progression. Complete daily and weekly missions to earn coins, potions, and other valuable resources. Engage in seasonal events and guild wars for unique dragons and exclusive rewards. Once you reach level 25, you can trade dragons with other players, and resources can be traded at any level, helping you build your ultimate dragon team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.